Neck dissection is indicated for clinically palpable metastatic neck disease. Conversion to the radical neck dissection becomes necessary upon gross involvement of the nerve, vein, and muscle, although the involvement of all three is unusual except in very advanced disease. Comprehensive neck dissection is a term that frequently appears in the literature, and this refers to any type of neck dissection that involves removal of lymph nodes from 1 to 5 and corresponds therefore to radical neck dissection and modified radical neck dissections according to the Academy's classification. This surgery involves removal of modified radical neck dissection involves removal of lymph node groups as those involved in radical neck, that is level 1 to 5, but requires preservation of one or more following three non-lymphatic structures. What are they? The spinal axillary nerve, internal jugular vein, sternomastoid muscle. The structure or structures preserved should be specifically indicated in the name of the procedure. For example, modified radical neck dissection with preservation of axillary nerve and internal jugular vein. Modified radical neck dissection.